How you doing, everybody? Jim Schroeder here, your Hoosier Auto Guy here at Kia of Bradley in Bradley, Illinois. And today, I'm going to show you how to get into your car if the battery in your remote goes dead and you've got one of the new cars with the door handles that are flush when the doors are locked. Now, I will tell you, first of all, the key fob battery, when it starts getting low, when you start the car, it's going to have a little message to let you know key fob battery low. At that time, go and stop by. You can stop by our dealership or any Kia dealership near you and go to the parts department, just say, hey, I need a new battery in my key fob. They'll take it out, swap out and put the new one in for you. I think they're only a couple of bucks. It's just a little watch battery in there, but they last for years. So it's not something you have to worry about all the time. However, like I said, when they do start getting low, it will warn you on the infotainment or on the dash there with the message when you start the car. Now, first of all, doors are flush, car's locked. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna push on the front part of the door handle. So I'm gonna put the keys here for a second. You're just gonna push on the front and that back pops out like that. So what you can do is you push on that, grab the back of the door handle, and you can actually pull it out. Okay, so that way you can get to right over here. There's a lock cylinder back behind here that you can take the key that's on your key fob, which is this little, on these keys, it's the little dongle here that comes off, that's hanging off the key that you got from your dealer. You pull this out and there's an actual key in here that you can use to get to the lock cylinder and unlock your doors. So always make sure that you have this with you, or if you want to live dangerously and wait for the key fob battery low system to come up and stuff too, that's fine. However, you never know. There could be a glitch sometimes, it could get wet. So always make sure you have the dongle here with you just in case. Okay, so like I was showing you there, you're gonna push on the front, grab the back to get a hold of it there, pull it out. Now, underneath here, there is a cap covering the cylinder as well too, to help keep debris out and everything too. And underneath, let me see if I can get this right under there for you so you can see. There's a little cap right here, and see the little button right there you can slide off to the right, kind of like a TV remote. If you want to change the batteries on your TV remote, you can get the same type of deal there too. You're just going to push that off to the right, use your key that's in the dongle on the keychain there, push that to the right so you can pop that out of there, and then this can pop right out. And this little piece here, just set it off to the side. Do not lose this because you need to put that back. And inside, right up in there, is your lock cylinder. So just like on cars, you know, back in the day, this still has that lock cylinder so you can get in there just in case those batteries go dead. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your key here, and it is a little tricky because you're gonna finesse it back there a little bit. But one of the other nice side benefits of this too is it does make it a little tougher to steal cars too. So it's the other nice benefit of this. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna turn it to the right. That will unlock it. If I can get that there. Just hit the unlock button there. All right, now to put this cap back on here too, you're just gonna follow this procedure backwards here. You're gonna put the top in here first, and clip that in, and then you're just gonna give it a little push and tuck it in. And then that way it keeps that cover back where it's supposed to be. And then you can lock it, unlock it, whatever you wanna do, you're all good to go. Again, that covers to help keep the debris out of there. And you're in your car. Also, real quick, before I forget, if the battery in the remote is dead, you're not going to be able to start the car normally as well. Instead of just putting your finger on the button there, you put on the brake and your finger on the button to start the car, you're going to have to push the button with the remote itself. There's a chip inside there, and it has to be close enough to the start button to start the vehicle when the battery is dead. So you just start like normal, but you're going to just push it with the remote. And there you go, and that'll get you on your way. All right, so there you go. You're in your car, you got your doors unlocked, you got yourselves inside. Hopefully this helped you out. If you found it informative, please give it a like and a share. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're in the Bradley, Illinois area, Northwest Indiana, Northeast Illinois, give me a call if you want to come out and take a look at some vehicles. We got a great selection. We also have free lifetime oil changes. So if you buy a vehicle from me, you can do your maintenance anywhere you want to, but if you choose to do it here at Kia of Bradley, the oil change is always free. You're just paying for your tire rotations, brake pads, wiper blades, whatever you're getting done at the time. But the oil changes are free, and on the bigger SUV vehicles like this, that saves you a lot of money over time, because I think it's like $90 or $100 for an oil change. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate your taking the time to stop by. And if this helps you out and you're in a crunch and need to know how to get in there, please leave a comment and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Buying a car from Jim, what a great experience.